Hi UKG students, welcome back to the cursive writing class. So what we are going to do today, we are going to start with another page of cursive writing, that is page number 12, and today we are going to another add up page, that is 13. Okay, so we are going to do with alphabet F, and after that what comes? G. Okay, so let's get started. Now for writing we already know what we need: a sharp pencil and an eraser, right? So that we do not make our books dirty and untidy. Okay, so we are going to write 4 words with alphabet F. Okay, so F for what? Fish, that we eat every day or sometime at least. F comes with flag, F-L-A-G, that means the flag or our national flag with tricolor, 3 colors. And then F stands for fan. Fan means which gives us air during the hot days, you know that. And F for frog, this green creature, this green animal that you see during when? The monsoon. Okay, so we are going to write their name with cursive writing style. Okay, now let's start with the fish. Okay, for writing the fish, we are going to make the same way. We are going to join these dotted lines. So here we are going to make a flag like shape. Then from there we are going to continue our lines and join these lines. Okay, and then in just middle we are going to cut it, and we are done with F, just like this. Then from the below of that we are going to take a I, and then one drop just above it. From there comes the S, and it's just like a snail. Then from there, just from the side of it comes the H, and we are going to continue till the topmost line. Then from there we are going to come down and make a N shape. Okay, and we are done with fish. Similar way we are going to write the flag. Just like the F, we are going to write it once again. We are done with F. Then we are going to write a cursive small L, just like this. And from, don't leave it. From there we are going to make a round shape, that is A, and then a small G. Okay, and we are done with flag. Then comes the turn of fan. Let's turn on the fan. Okay, so we are going to write the F once again. From the down part of F, we are going to write a small A with a round shape, and from the side of A, there comes our tail, and we make a small A, and then after that there comes a small N, and we are done with the fan. And the last one, that is the frog. Here we are going to write the F once again, and then from just below the F there comes a small R, and after the R is over there comes a O. This is for O, and a round shape. And just from the top of it we are going to make another round shape and take a tail just down below, and we are done. Now the time for writing G. G for guava, G for gun, G for goat, G for girl. Okay, we all know what are the girls, what are the goats, these are the animals, and this gun, we like to play with it sometime. toy guns, right? And the guava, these are the fruits many of us like to eat. So we are going to start with which one? Gun. Okay. So how we are going to write the gun? First we are going to take a long line and then come up with a C. Okay, capital C type structure. From just right side we are going to keep a line below. Then from this line we are going to write a small U. You know how a U looks like a cup. And then just from side of it there another U, but inverted, just upside down. Okay, and we are done with the gun. Then after that, let's start with the guava. Once again we are going to write the G. The cursive G looks like this. Then U, and don't give up the writing. Then a, and we are done with the V, and the last one is once again A. So what is the spelling of guava? G-U-A-V-A. Okay. After that comes the goat, the Baba black sheep kind of goat. Okay, when we are writing a goat, how we are going to write? Again a cursive G. So we are going to write a G, then after that a O. Okay, then from the O we are going to write a small A, and from the A there comes a small T. So see how they are linked with each other, they are bound to each other. And the last one is the girl. Last comes the girl. So here first a cursive G, then a I. After I there is another small R, and the lastly there is a L to end up with. Okay, so we understood how to write a guava, a gun, goat and a girl. Okay, so this is how we are going to do. So what we are going to do, we are going to complete page number 12, page number 13 as our homework. Okay, so this is it for this class, and we are going to see each other in our next class. So tata.